हेलो प्यारे बच्चों, कैसे हैं आप लोग। उम्मीद करता हूं कि आप सभी लोग बहुत अच्छे होंगे। मैं रईस अहमद आप सभी को केमिस्ट्री सिखाने के लिए हाजिर हूं। मैं आप सभी को जो टॉपिक आज सिखाने वाला हूं उस टॉपिक का नाम है एरोमेटिक ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड्स में इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शंस कैसे होते हैं। तो आइए प्यारे बच्चों, सबसे पहले हम ये जानने की कोशिश करते हैं कि इलेक्ट्रोफाइल्स क्या होते हैं और फिर इसके बाद हम सीखेंगे कि एरोमेटिक ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड्स किन्हें कहते हैं। इसके बाद हम लोग सीखेंगे कि इलेक्ट्रोफाइल किस प्रकार से एरोमेटिक कंपाउंड से इंटरेक्ट करते हैं और कैसा इनका प्रोडक्ट बनता है। तो आइए देखते हैं। सबसे पहले ये जानते हैं कि इलेक्ट्रोफाइल्स क्या होते हैं। जैसा कि इसके नाम से सजेस्ट हो रहा है, ये क्लियर हो रहा है, इलेक्ट्रोफाइल्स मींस इलेक्ट्रॉन लविंग स्पीशीज। इलेक्ट्रो मींस इलेक्ट्रॉन, फिलस मींस लविंग, मींस all those species that have tendency to attract the negatively charged species are said to be electrophilic species. And obviously it is clear that only those compounds have tendency to attract the negatively charged species to attract the electron with their itself either positive charge or it has lack of electron in it. So how will we know? We will easily know that the positively charged species are said to be electrophile because according to Coulomb's law, it's the positive species which have tendency to attract the oppositely charged, negatively charged electron to it. So let us see some of the positively charged species which behaves as an electrophile are Cl positive, CH3 positive, NO2 positive, and many more. These are the species that have tendency to attract the electrons and therefore these are considered as electrophiles. Another species which does not bears positive charge, rather it have deficiency of electron, therefore it have tendency to attract the electron towards it. They are also called neutral electrophile. Let us see neutral electrophile. How would we recognize that which neutral species will be electrophile? For knowing this, we must focus at the central atom of the molecule. If the central atom of a particular neutral molecule lacks electron, or you may say that if it has electron less than 8 in its valence shell, then it must have tendency to accept that deficient electron to complete the octet. Therefore, all such species are said to be neutral electrophile. For example, AlCl3 is the best example. We will try to know that how. In the AlCl3, aluminum is an electron deficient species. Let us see if we draw the structure of AlCl3, we may see that aluminum have atomic number 13. Therefore, in its valence shell it must have only 3 electrons, and all these 3 electrons are being shared by 3 chlorine atoms. Due to this reason, the number of electrons in the aluminum will become only 6. So, it has 2 electrons short of an octet. Therefore, it is an electron deficient species and hence it behaves like a Lewis acid and also like an electrophile. Behaves Is it? And not only this AlCl3, but other such species that have short of 8 electrons are said to be electrophile. For example, you may say FeCl3 is also an electrophile. So now we are going towards the aromatic organic compounds. We will try to know what are the organic compounds. You know that organic compounds, aromatic organic compounds are those compounds that have flat ring structure. And second feature of the aromatic organic compound is that it bears pi electron cloud above and below the plane of the ring. Third feature is the aromatic organic compound must follow Huckel's rule, means 4n plus 2 electron, in which the number of n must be a whole number, like 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. So let us see the feature of the aromatic organic compounds. Aromatic compounds. Aromatic compounds have following features. Firstly, a planar geometrical structure. A planar structure, geometrical structure. Second characteristic feature of the aromatic organic compound is that it must have pi electron cloud above and below the plane of the ring. Pi electron cloud above and below the ring. Or you may say that delocalization of pi electron cloud is essential. Delocalization of pi electron cloud. We will elaborate this particular point later. Now third one is it must follow Huckel rule. Do you know what is the Huckel rule? Huckel rule states that in an aromatic compound the total number of pi electrons must be equivalent to 4n plus 2 and the value of n must come to a whole number, means 0, 1, 2 or 3 and so on. So see here 4n plus 2 pi, 4n plus 2 pi electron, in which n is equal to whole number, means 0, 1, 2 or 3 and so on. 4n plus 2 pi electron. 4n plus 2 pi electrons are here. This should be 4.